guys, if you are planning a trip to Kuala Lumpur and searching for a stay that is stylish, central and has great city view, we recently stayed at the Chow Kit and here's everything you need to know before booking. This hotel is a traveler favorite, super convenient and full of charm. Located right in the heart of the Chow Kit, one of KL's most historic districts, blends old world characters with modern vibes. From the moment you step inside, the design hits differently. Think New York brownstone meet Malaysian heritage. We got a standard room on the second floor, and honestly we loved it. It's not huge, but for a one night stay it was just right. What caught us off guard the view. Even without a balcony or openable window, it was surprisingly good. And yes, even though the monorail runs right behind the building, the room is soundproof, you won't hear a thing. Let's talk amenities. Big comfy bed, smart TV, mini fridge, complimentary water, locker. One thing to keep in mind, some of the smaller rooms may not come with the kettle or extra seating. But you will still get great lighting, a small stool and compact chair. Rooms here range from compact and cozy to spacious suites. There are written furniture, vintage artifact and lot of curated local art. It's really set a mood. And a super clean bathroom with a stone-like finish and sleek back fitting. The bathroom was spacious and modern with everything you need: towel, hand wash, shampoo and body wash, but no bidet for the toilet. The hotel's lobby is one of the highlights. Spacious, calm and ideal whether you want to walk, relax or just chill with a drink. There's a cozy lounge and bar area that serves craft cocktail like lemongrass apple twist. Very chill, very classy. The Chow Kit kitchen and bar is open daily from 7 am to 10 pm and they served modern takes on Malaysian favorites like nasi lemak, laksa and pandan pudding. The food warm, tasty and beautifully presented. And in terms of location, couldn't be better. You are just a 5 minutes walk from Sultan Ismail LRT and Medanthuangku Monorail station. Plus, the area packed with local vibe, street food stall, markets and tiny bazaar areas. Now here's what you won't find. There's no pool or gym on site. But nowadays the Koil Mall gym is nearby and accessible for guests. And don't miss the rooftop view at night. You can spot the KL Tower, Merdeka 118 and even see the monorail gliding through the city. It's pretty special sight. We paid 225 ringgit for our room, which usually start from 235 ringgit depending on the season. You can also add breakfast for 35 ringgit per person if it's not already included. Totally worth it. The breakfast was fresh, hot and had a few great options to choose from. So if you are after a boutique hotel that's full of character, local flair and has a great location, the Chow Kit is a solid choice. It's not 5-star luxury, but the price, it delivers a memorable and stylish KL experience. That is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.